Yo guys, I'm back with another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy ELON using Ethereum. First of all, you have to head up and open CoinMarketCap on your browser and then write ELON in the search bar. As you can see, click on the first one and here it is, page full of information about the token. But the information that we need to use is the contract address. So we come in the contract section and we copy the contract address. That's it. Now it shows up that it's copied and we go to the next step. We open Uniswap, click on Launch App and it opens this page for you guys. So now we have to connect our wallets. You have multiple choices. You have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic and Portis. In this tutorial are using MetaMask, so for those who doesn't have it, you can just download it very easy, very simple on metamask.io on any browser that you are using. Alright, so you come back to our Uniswap platform and then we open MetaMask after connecting it. And guys, please make sure that you are on Ethereum main network. That's the most important step, okay? And then you click on import tokens, you click on custom tokens and you click here and you saw it fills up automatically. Alright, nice. Now it is on your wallet, as you can see guys, and then you click here, select the token, you add the token also in the Uniswap platform and there it is. Now you can swap between Ethereum into ELON or ELON into Ethereum. And please guys, make sure that you are using the safest methods or the same method that I'm using so you can prevent getting scammed. And there is like multiple websites that are scamming people, so for those who doesn't know, please use CoinMarketCap to get the best and safest contract address or the correct contract address for your tokens. That was the video guys. Please, if you liked it, give us thumbs up in the comment and subscribe to see the future videos. See you guys.